Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Angasha. So today I'm going to show you my project for the contact API assignment. So first of all, I'm going to have to demonstrate how these routes work. I have the gate contact that gets all the contacts, the post that will allow you to post a contact into a contact database, contact list. Now this one to get contact list by ID, we get by ID, fetch a contact by ID. And then I have puts that will allow you to update a contact in a contact list database. And this delete will allow you to delete a contact from the database or from the contact list. So to begin with, let me try the get by ID. I already copied an ID already, and then let me replace this one by paste ID here and try to fetch. So it will fetch by the ID that they was able to fetch the a particular contact for me. So now let me get all contacts and see. For example, if I click here, use this route and try, it will now execute and fetch all the whole contacts. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contacts in the database. So now I can pick one here and edit. I can pick one and clear this one. So this is working. So next, let me try to update a contact in the database. This is to put, which is to allow you to edit a contact. So I've selected one contact in the database. I want to change the name on some things in that particular contact. So this is the parameters I'm using. I want to change the name to John. There's no John in that database. So I want last name to be Mike. And then I want the email address to be jm gmail. And then let's say color will be blue, and let's say September 5th. That is the date of birth I execute. So right now I was able to update the contact information of that particular uh, contact. Okay, let me, your mic was entered. To verify, I'll fetch the whole contact again. See that John was actually modded. So like John Micah James, so it's right here. Okay, so let me go to the next one. Okay, next one is to add a contact to the database. I'll use post to add a contact to the contact list. So let me try this one using these parameters. Now I'm going to add NECA. NECA is not in the database. NECA, NECA is is in, let me just use that at easy at gmail.com, follow Pinky, and then date of birth January 1. Okay, so if I execute, NECA will added to the database with this ID as been created for NECA. So that is that. I've added the contact in the contact database. So let's verify and see whether NECA is there in the database. Go to the route that generate all the contacts and try, execute, and then we should be able to see now we have added, there's another contact in our database, which is NECA. There used to be 6 contacts here, but now we have 7. Okay, so now let me use last one, which is to delete. Delete will allow me to delete a contact from the contact list. Okay. Okay, let me use delete. This is the delete route. I'll delete by ID. So let me try this quickly. Put the ID here. and then click execute. So now I've deleted that new one that I just added. So to verify, I can also go to my dash, go to the route dash and arrest all the contacts and then try to run it again and see if it's still there or it has gone out. So it appears that that one was successfully deleted from the database. So we still have our 6 contacts that are still fitted in our database. So that is that for the route, and this is my link. This is my lender. This is my lender link, and then if I open here, I'm using this online. This Swagger allows you to uh, fetch this contact list from anywhere live. So there's another way for me to go about this thing is to use use from my VS Code REST. So if I do npm start, my code should start running. This one is for render, and this is done. I think I'm done with that one. So let me close this one and then try another method. Okay, my code is running in localhost 3000. So if I go to localhost 3000, okay, I should be able to, okay, let me put it out. That should be the API docs. Okay, see, it's also working here. If you click on this, you should be able to see the entire contact execute. So it fetches it at the same time. So the same way it works here, the same way it works for all these things are working. So I've tested them and they're working. So I just wanted to test the online one because we have not tested before. Okay, now that is that for my project. I just had to fast because there's not much time for me to cover everything here. So to get by ID, I can still try to get by ID here. Just have small time. Okay, try to get by ID. Okay, that one is one that we did actually. The one that was